Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Kit from Speak Up London, your English school right in here on Oxford Street in central London. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video for more weekly British English lessons. Also, if you're in town already, come study with us. We'd love to help you take your English to the next level right here in the heart of the city. What are we doing today? Today, we're looking at vocabulary, particularly the difference between British and American English. The UK and the US are divided by one ocean, but together they share a language, mostly. Today I'm going to show you the differences and some of the similarities so you never have the awkward mix-up again. Round one is the street and the tube. So let's start with your commute. If you're walking outside of our school, then you are on the pavement. But if you're in the US, they would call this a sidewalk. If you want to cross under the road in London, you'll use a subway. But be careful because in the US, a subway is the train that goes underground. If you want the train that goes underground in London, you're looking for the tube, or more formally, the underground. That's tube. And for the most important question, where's the toilet? In the UK, ask for the loo. It's polite and it's very British. In the United States, you might tend to hear restroom or bathroom instead. Ask for a restroom here and we might think that you need a nap. Round two, the pants problem. The next one is relatively important. In the US, pants are what you wear over your legs, but in the UK, pants are underwear. Like, if you were to tell a Brit, I like your pants, things might get awkward. Here, instead, we call pants trousers. Here are some other clothes differences. In the US, sweater. In the UK, jumper. In the US, sneakers. In the UK, trainers. In the US, vest. In the UK, waistcoat. In the US, diaper. In the UK, nappy. Remember, a vest in the UK is something you wear under your shirt. In the US, it's something you wear over your shirt, like a sleeveless jacket. It's all a bit backwards, really. Round three, the food fight. So let's talk snacks. If you buy a bag of thinly sliced fried potatoes in London, then you're eating crisps. In the US though, those are called chips. But if you order chips in a British restaurant, you'll get thick, hot fries. Whereas in America, those are just called fries. And for a treat. In the UK, we love a biscuit or two without tea. In America, a biscuit is like a savory bread served with gravy. What we call a biscuit in the UK, they call a cookie in the US. Some other kitchen clashes include, but are not limited to, eggplant in the US, which is aubergine in the UK, zucchini in the US, which is courgette in the UK, and candy or canny in the US, which are sweets in the UK. Round four is cars and a home. If you're driving, the front of the car is the bonnet in the UK or the hood in the US, whereas the back storage part in the UK is the boot or the trunk in the US. And if you fill the car with petrol in the UK, this is gas in the US. In the UK, gas is what we use for the stove or for heating. So if you told a Brit that your car ran out of gas, it wouldn't sound quite right. Whether you say lorry or truck or gas or petrol, the most important thing to do is to keep speaking. British people usually understand phrases from the US because so much of the TV and the films that we watch are American, whereas people from the US might find it a little bit more tricky. Which of the differences today was the most surprising? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to visit us at Speak Up London on Oxford Street if you want to master British English in person. I'm Teacher Kit and I'll see you in the next lesson. Cheers!